What's up, Olivia? So it's a little later than I thought for me to start recording this. So this video is not going to be perfect, but I got to get the ball rolling sometime, and figures now's the time to do it. I'm sure the videos will get better with time, and I'll edit the audio and everything better. But this is what we got for today. So SMLP was up on the scanner this morning. I went back in time, marked out some daily levels. Alright, so you can see where these daily values are definitely some areas of support and resistance. And alright. So I saw this volume wasn't too impressive on the breakout of, well, it's not showing, but $1.33. So I had taken a little bit of a position there. When it pulled back down, it ended up going a little bit higher, but I liked that red volume was high, and it really didn't get that far. So as it was coming back down, I added in for my full position here. Bounced off the VWAP, but it was still getting rejected right in here. So, I mean, my stop was going to be probably, if it ended up coming back up in here. Had some good red winning volume. So I went ahead and took half. Oh, I guess I took the full position out there. You're getting kind of close to this low, and I wasn't sure for a ABC pattern. But the red volume started coming in pretty hard here. So I went back in for full position and broke the lows, and I took, I can't tell if that's half or full position out as it was coming back down to this area of possible support from the daily. Alright, so I took half out, went a little bit lower. I wasn't sure if it was going to bounce back up, so I went ahead and pulled the rest of it out. And it was getting close to that 8 o'clock hour, and I don't want to be holding around then. So I think all throughout this time I start getting focused on MOGO, but there was definitely a lot left on the table throughout the rest of the day. I mean, it pretty much faded the whole time, but thankful for the plays we got. But yeah, definitely a little bit of FOMO looking back on the day. All right, so MOGO marked out some lines on the daily. So it was pretty strong in the pre-market till about 8:30. I liked seeing this red volume come in, kind of a double top in here. That breakout didn't get very far. So it's starting to catch my eye a little more. Took a starter here for kind of the descending resistance. Was a little nervous with the high volume, but yeah, once it ended up breaking here, I had to just get out. I like the topping tail, kind of close to the triple top. So I went ahead and took a starter here, and then got in full as it broke the low of that candle. I like seeing all the red volume here. I went ahead and pulled half of it out as it was getting close to the VWAP. Pulled half of it out. It didn't end up bouncing too good, so I went back in. Had a decent drop through these previous daily levels, and I thought I could maybe catch support in here. Pulled half out. And pulled the rest out there. So this green volume wasn't too impressive, especially as it broke through the VWAP. High volume on a red candle. Got a starter as it broke through the VWAP. Went in full position as it broke these lows from these candles. Market open was, it'd probably be nice to watch how this candle played out on the recording, but I think going over the trades this way is just easier for now. But yeah, I ended up pulling out as it was kind of catching some support down in here. So I'd say maybe if it wasn't right at market open, I might have resized in for the tap of the VWAP, but right at market open, and this happened really fast. I just didn't see enough conviction to get any deeper. And within like half a second, it flashed right back down. And I went ahead and pulled the rest of it out. And just like SMLP, left a lot on the table for the rest of the day, but I was well above my goal, and didn't want to get too greedy. So overall, it was a pretty good day. I think it was about 37% gross. I'm sure with stock locates and commissions, it would have been a decent chunk, but still pretty happy with the day. So sorry for low quality in this video, but it's like 9:30, so I just wanted to get the ball rolling.